Welcome back, viewers, to another exciting episode on this channel. Whether you're a longtime subscriber or a newcomer stumbling upon our content, we're thrilled to have you here. Prepare yourself for a captivating journey as we dive into the world of finance and business. So, whether you're here to expand your knowledge, seek inspiration, or simply enjoy a moment of entertainment, we invite you to join us on this exciting journey. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest uploads. And don't forget to share our videos with your friends and family, spreading the joy of learning and discovery far and wide. Let's get started.
Robinhood is a popular mobile investment platform that allows users to trade a variety of financial instruments, including stocks, options, cryptocurrencies, and exchange-traded funds, with no commission fees. It's known for its user-friendly interface and accessibility, making it a popular choice for both novice and experienced investors. You can make money from Robinhood or any investment platform by following a well-thought-out investment strategy. Here are some steps to consider. 1. Educate yourself. Start by learning the basics of investing, including how the stock market works, different investment instruments, and risk management. 2. Set clear goals. Define your financial goals, whether it's long-term wealth accumulation, saving for retirement, or short-term gains. 3. Diversify your portfolio. Spread your investments across different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and cryptocurrencies to reduce risk. 4. Conduct research. Analyze and research the companies or assets you want to invest in. Consider factors like financial health, growth prospects, and market trends. 5. Start small. Begin with a small amount of money that you can afford to invest. You can gradually increase your investments as you gain confidence. 6. Dollar cost averaging. Consider investing a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of market conditions. This strategy can help you reduce the impact of market volatility. 7. Practice risk management. Set stop-loss orders or limits on your trades to protect against substantial losses. Don't invest more than you can afford to lose. 8. Keep an eye on fees. While Robinhood offers commission-free trading, be mindful of other potential fees, such as account maintenance or margin interest. 9. Stay informed, monitor your investments regularly, and stay updated on market news and trends. Be prepared to adjust your portfolio as needed. 10. Long-term perspective. Investing is often most successful when you take a long-term approach. Avoid making impulsive decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. 11. Consult a financial advisor. Consider seeking advice from a financial advisor or professional if you are unsure about your investment choices. It's important to note that all investments come with risk, and there are no guarantees of making money. The value of your investments can go up or down, and you should be prepared for both gains and losses. Additionally, the specific investment strategy you choose should align with your financial goals and risk tolerance.
And that concludes another captivating episode on our channel. We hope you enjoyed this journey of exploration and discovery as much as we did. Before we part ways, we want to express our sincere gratitude to each and every one of you, our incredible viewers. If you haven't already, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel and become part of our ever-growing community. By doing so, you'll never miss out on the latest uploads, ensuring you're always at the forefront of knowledge and entertainment. Remember to hit the notification bell, so you're promptly notified whenever we release a new video. Feel free to also drop a like and add a comment down below, This will help us in doing our future projects. Thanks for watching.